Buluminaka, my fellow Fijians. In the coming days, as families across the nation gather in celebration, I want to take a moment to wish every Fijian a happy, safe, and blessed Easter. Easter is among the most important events on our national calendar and a central conviction of the Christian faith. The Bible tells us that God's love for the world was so great that he sacrificed his one and only Son, Jesus Christ, to die upon the cross to forgive the sins of humanity. After 3 days, Jesus rose from the dead to ascend to heaven. Easter Sunday is a celebration of that miraculous resurrection. For Fijians, the life and death of Jesus carry lessons that carry profound meaning for each of us. Jesus' life was a life dedicated to the service of all people, from all walks of life. His love touched the hearts of women, men, children, youth, and elders from all different faiths, different socio-economic backgrounds, and different cultures. His death was more than an extraordinary sacrifice. It was an infinite display of his love and compassion, a love so powerful that we can feel its strength in our lives to this very day. Romans chapter 15 verse 7 tells us, "Therefore welcome one another as Christ has welcomed you, for the glory of God." On this both solemn and joyous occasion, I ask every Fijian to take a moment to reflect on how we can each strive to welcome each other and to love each other in the same manner that Jesus so loved the world. Happy Easter, and may God bless you all.